Hello world, namaste, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to it. I do beauty related videos and some hair care stuff also, and there would be a bell button right over here. Kindly press it so that you will be notified every time I upload a video. So in today's video we are going to see a haul, a normal chotu haul. I have purchased some skincare hair care products from, like, they were all online stuff. So I wanted to start in a random manner. There is no noted down thing that I need to show this one, because I want this video to be short as it can be. Starting with our thing, this is the Garnier Micellar Water. Now micellar waters are good to remove the makeup because they break the makeup really nicely and effortlessly. And this one from Garnier one is really nice, and this is affordable too. This is just for rupees 225, and beat any other high and expensive thing you use for your makeup. So if you want to use this, you need to just shade the things up, because this has this oil thing right here and then some water thing right like below it. So you need to shake the thing and then pour it into the cotton and use it. So yeah, this is the first thing I have purchased, and I have told you like that this is the 225 for 125 ml of product. Second thing is so interesting, and it's a bit expensive too. I'm talking about L'Oreal Paris, this one L'Oreal Paris Youth Code. This is their skin activating foamant eye essence. So this is supposed to be applied every morning and the night, like when you do your skincare routine. So you need to apply it, and the interesting part is the applicator. So once you open it up, you get this roller kind of thing. So these are actually rollers, and once you apply the product with this one, this rolls out to your skin. So this makes everything like applying and massaging things to your eyes very easy. I never had dark circles, and even today I do not have them because I am a very sleep oriented person. So I never had dark circles. I don't know the exact reason why they have, but so for that reason I cannot tell you it works or not. But other than that, making your skin feel fresh, moisturizing thing, and it is long lasting too. So although it's a bit expensive, this was the MRP is 700, and on discount you can get it for 400 also, because I have bought it for 400 from Nykaa on discount. But otherwise, if you go to counter, they will provide you the same MRP. So I would say just pick it on the cart and purchase it when the sale comes up. But otherwise you can give it a shot, because the applicator is really nice. Once the product is over, I will be doing my DIY eye serum thing into it and use the same applicator from this. So yeah, this is the second thing. Next comes the cutest thing of this entire haul. I'm talking about this Alps Goodness Argan Face Oil with gold. So as you can see, here are some gold flexes settled downside of the tube, and this is just 5 ml of product. But I will not say I am gonna use this, because I have just used it once, and the applicator is too small too. I'll show you. Yeah, this is actually very cute, but skincare is not about just packaging. The product should do what it meant to be. But I feel I'm not gonna use this, although it was not expensive. It was just for rupees 120 or 110, but still, what's the point of making something inexpensive if it doesn't work? So I would say just skip it. Don't just buy it because you're seeing it and it's inexpensive, because this is not working right now. Okay, fourth thing that I am loving actually from the day I bought it, and you can see already I have used it this much. Okay, so I'm talking about Biotique Bio Carrot Seed Anti-Aging After Bath Body Oil. Now I usually do not apply body lotions in the winter time, or even if I apply body lotions, I kind of like to mix oils with them. Only then they just tame that dryness of winter. But before this, I was using my desi ghee on my body. I'm like that because I do not find body lotions working that way. But this after bath oil is very good. Although it has some kind of fragrance, like the fragrance, if you remember the Kia Carpin oil, we used to have in our old school days. The same fragrance, the same kind of fragrance this has, but otherwise, other than that, this is very nice, moisturizing, long lasting, and very very nice. And it is inexpensive too. This is 120 ml and this just costed 135. So yeah, you can definitely give it a try, definitely. I forgot to show you the packaging. This is how this eye essence comes. So you can see, like, we are paying 700 for the packaging too. So this is the thing. I actually like this. I kept it for something else. I'll be using it for something else. I have a lot of stuff to store, so yeah. Next, I'll show you another serum. So I'm talking about MCafe Naked and Raw Coffee Face Serum, as you can see, and it actually smells like the same coffee. It smells like coffee. Like once you open up the bottle, you'll be like, oh, coffee पी रहे हैं, ऐसी सी feel आएगी आपको. I'll show you the applicator. There is this dropper, and this is a little, I don't know, I did not feel good about this dropper somehow. This is, and the product is also really as you can see, oh okay, if you want to see this serum, how this applies to my face, I have just filmed a video that will be getting ready for the YouTube with minimal products. So I've used it. So I am actually really liking it, and I have used this continuously from the day I purchased. It's been 25 days and it is still there. I'm using it day and night, both still there. So the product is really nice, although it is also expensive in that way. It was 650 rupees or 655 rupees. Yeah, this is 645 rupees for 40 ml, but I would say you can give it a shot because the quantity is good. Right now I'm actually liking it, and I can see improvement in my skin. I have a lot of texture in my skin, and I actually purchased this because I have watched the reviews of this serum for the, for removing the texture. So I thought of just giving it a shot, and right now I'm liking it. You can also give it a shot if you do purchase many serums. So this one is good. This one is good. Now next is straight up an experiment thing, and as you can see, if you see my hairs, they are not bad. I do have less hairs on my scalp. Like there could be more hairs on my scalp, but there are not. I'm not saying I have bald patches on my scalp, but I have less hairs and I can have more hairs. My hair follicles are blocked for some reason. I have seen this product on YouTube for growing new hairs on bald scalp, so I thought of giving it a shot. And so I'm talking about the hair growth vitalizer from Ustraa. I think this is how they pronounce the brand, and it is actually meant for men. But because people are talking about this thing and some females have also used it, so I thought of giving it a shot. And I actually my product is just right here. I'm using it. Like this thing is gone. I am liking it because I like to give food to my hairs, like my scalp, very very much. And this thing is loaded with things. This has Redensil, saw palmetto, omega-3 and omega-6, keratin and collagen, 7 vitamins, 17 amino acids and 3 minerals. Okay, it's fine. If something doesn't happen, it's okay, but at least the things this has in it have a lot of nutrients for the scalps. For that reason, and this was for rupees 699, and the product is 100 ml, and I actually liked it. The texture is very very light. I'll show you. It's very watery. It's not a serum actually. It's not oily. It's not the serum. Okay, it has a texture like if you have touched the rice water. So it is water but a little more slippery. The same texture this has, and once you apply this on your scalp and massage it, it takes a bit 5 to 10 minutes to settle in, and then it is okay. Like you do not feel you have applied some sort of thing to your hairs. They are not greasy, they're not oily and all that. But I am still waiting for the exact results of growing new hairs, and only then I'll give you the full review. But till now it is going good, at least for providing the good healthy nutrients to your scalp. So for that matter, you can give it a shot. If you try other things also for the scalp, then this is also good. Next is another thing related to eye, and I told you I like to apply eye serums, eye creams a lot. So I'm talking about this Biotique Bio CV Revitalizing Anti-Fatigue Eye Gel. So this is the this is the tub, and here is the gel. This is a complete gel texture thing. This is not cream. So this I use it for the daytime because that eye essence of L'Oreal one is watery, and that has a white tint to it, but this one is really clear, so it is good for the daytime because it sits quite well under my makeup. So yeah, you can give it a shot, and this is just for ₹199, and yeah, you get a lot of product, so you can also try this one. Next is a thing that I am dying to try, but I could not because I thought of just filming the haul and then I will use it. I'm talking about Khadi Sandalwood Scrub Herbal Soap. This is how it looks like, and this is 125 grams. Where is the price? And this is for 70 rupees. Now I know like these soaps are expensive, but I like to experiment with soaps too. I like having 2 to 3 soaps whenever I go to bath. And there is a hologram also. See the authenticity of Khadi brand. And herbal soaps are quite better than the usual commercial soaps you use, but yeah, it's just personal thing. It's not related to exact like I cannot say, oh, this will do something magic to your skin. It's just a simple soap. This will just be different in difference to the chemicals you are using. There will be less chemical in it than your usual commercial ones. So yeah, for that fact you can purchase it, but otherwise no fuss, just use what you are using. Now next and the last thing in this haul is this Livon hair serum. Now we have all used it before, we are still using it, and the people who do not have much frizzy hair and have manageable hairs, just use this simple serum and you're sorted in that sense. It is so tiny and so compact, easy to carry around. This is 20 ml of product for I think 45 or 50 rupees. And if you do not know what hair serum I should use after bath, simply use this. This is also good, and this has vitamin E now, so yeah, this is also good. I think there are 3 sizes in this Livon thing. This is the smallest one, and I like it because it is too small and easy to carry in my bag. When a full review of these products, I will be doing separate videos for individual things so that you can have a whole review in a very short video. So I have not gone in thorough thing of these products, but otherwise I'll be providing links in the description bar for everything that I've talked about. The only thing I would say skip to not to purchase is this one, completely no, and then nothing else. You can try everything that I've shown right now. So yeah, I hope you have enjoyed it, and wait for my next video. I will meet you in my next video. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is the same, Queen Fit. Also, I am active on LinkedIn. So till then, bye.